Hey Norm, so for the moment we're just building out two new funnels, one for e-commerce and one for lead generation. So we're going to split out our offering into two separate funnels. We're going to start marketing them individually and on their own. So what I want you to do is on our homepage, I want you to set up something similar to this. So we'll have two separate a section on the page with two separate buttons with a bit of a headline, exactly the same as what Digital Marketer have here. So one will be lead generation and one will be e-commerce. So where I want that to go is just just above the who we are section. So that can come down, um, have another break, another section maybe with this darker grey background. And in that we can have two sections, so exactly like this. Um, so lead generation on the left and e-commerce on the right, and a button. So we'll have a headline that has, or maybe where for individuals we'll have lead generation, e-commerce, and then here I'll give you a headline to plug in for both, and then just a button that will take them through to each of the funnels. Now, if you go back and you have a look at this task here in Growth Marketing Systems in our teamwork, so this is what the funnels will be. So this ecom one is there, and the lead generation, that should be the landing page for both. So these two links here should go through to their respective landing pages. So can you just work on that and get that done by the end of the week, please? Thanks.